Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to fix age ban on Tinder. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So the first thing that you need to do is head over to your settings app, and once you're inside the settings, what you need to do is scroll down and then tap on general, and once you're inside general, tap on iPhone storage, and once you're inside your iPhone storage, what you need to do is scroll down until you find the Tinder app. Let me just select this one as a Tinder, and once you do that, here what you need to do is simply tap on offload app, and what this does is it resets and clears all the cache and bugs that is present in the app which might be causing the issues that you are facing. So just simply updating the app to the latest version will fix the issue. So simply doing this will probably fix the issue, and that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.